Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a kitchen deep clean because it feels like I haven't focused on the kitchen in ages and it really does need doing. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I post motivational cleaning videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and I would love for you to be part of it. I am also over on Instagram. If you'd like to pop over there, I will leave the link in the description below. Now, I am completely obsessed with this song at the moment. I'm not really sure why, but I'm going to stop talking over it and just get on with cleaning. Luckily, I didn't break anything else when I was washing up today. I still have to replace that wine glass that I broke in my last Clean With Me, which I am so upset about because I really liked that one. So I have learnt to be a little bit more gentle when washing up because normally I just throw it all around. But I learnt my lesson with that and I still need to go shopping. So remind me to go shopping and buy some more wine glasses. So what are we all up to this weekend? I would love to know what your weekend looks like, if you are cleaning along with me or if you have put the kettle on, put your feet up and you are relaxing. I would just like to thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel lately. I do really appreciate it. And if you are trying to grow your own channel, I have actually made a video to help you figure out how to grow your subscribers, and I will just leave that in the description below. So after watching this, if you are thinking about starting your own channel or just wondering how to get to your first 200, definitely give that a watch because there are 10 top tips, fundamentals that you will need. So go and give that a watch after. So I'm just going to dry up all the plates and stuff. Rob's actually told me before not to dry up because of, I don't know, bacteria or something. He thinks it is a lot better to let the pots and pans air dry rather than dry up. But when I'm doing like a deep clean and I want my kitchen to be done, I don't have time to wait for them to dry themselves. So I am washing up today. But obviously if somebody is telling you not to dry up, I'm gonna take that. You know, I'm not gonna dry up if I don't have to, but today I am gonna just get it all out of the way because I think the kitchen looks so much better when the drying board is completely clear. This lantern is extremely sentimental to me, so if I break it, I can't replace it, so I don't move it that much. Quite often I do just dust around it and clean the windowsill around it, not under it, because like I said, if it breaks, I will be devastated. I won't be able to get another one. So underneath it is looking quite bad, so I have moved it today and I am giving it a good clean, because obviously I can't let it get too bad. I didn't realise how bad the sides of these cupboards were. Now my husband has asked me not to climb on the sides because that's how they break, but I feel like I really don't have a choice right now. I can't leave them like this. They're actually kind of sticky, which is really gross, and I've got to clean them off. I'm just hoping he doesn't watch this video. He never watches any of my videos anyway, but knowing me, this is going to be the one that he watches, but it's got to be done at the end of the day. I love having a clear kitchen. It looks so much better when it's all done, and it just puts me in a much better mood. I feel so relaxed when all the kitchen is empty and clear. I don't know about you, but I find it really therapeutic to have a clear kitchen. I'm not really sure why. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram if you are interested in the more home decor type of content. I've got loads of that over there for you. And thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this all the way to the end, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.